हेलो राजू सर, विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। आपको देख के हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कोई इंसान इतना प्योर हार्टेड कैसे हो सकता है, इतना अच्छा कैसे हो सकता है। राइट, हमेशा ऐसे ही रहिए, खुश रहिए। वंस अगेन विश यू अ मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे। बाय बाय।
हेलो सर, विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। एंड सर, एक बात आप हमेशा कहते हैं कि डीडी के अंदर दुबे छोटा है और ड्रीम्स बड़ा है, बट मैं एक बात बोलूंगा कि सर ड्रीम्स तो बड़े हैं ही और उन सबसे भी बड़े दुबे हैं। तो व्हाट आई वांट टू से रियली सर, नॉट दुबे, राजू दुबे सर सबसे बड़े हैं। एंड यस सर, यू आर सो जेनरस एंड विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे वंस अगेन। थैंक्स अ लॉट सर।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू राजू सर, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू राजू सर। विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे सर। और मैं ये कामना करता हूँ कि आपका आने वाला साल बहुत मंगल हो, भगवान आपको वो सब खुशियां दे जो आप मांग रहे हैं। अगेन विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे सर।
Hello Raju sir, wishing you a very very happy birthday and many happy returns of this very special day. I just wish you lots of happiness, prosperity, good fortune and all that you are hoping for. Have a fantastic day and awesome life ahead. Enjoy your day.
Best wishes to you on your special day, sir. I hope this birthday brings you all the strength for your successful year ahead. I learned a lot from you and I continue to learn from you. Happiest birthday, Raju sir. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday sir. Thank you so much for always supporting us. And sir, we pray that you live a very long life so that you can enlighten the life of other students like you have done us. Thank you so much sir.
Hello sir, many happy returns of the day. On your birthday, I would like to wish you a long, happy and prosperous life. Thank you for always including me in DD team and always giving me a better stage to perform. I've always been grateful to you and I'll always be grateful to you. Thank you so much. Many happy returns of this day, sir, once again.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. I wish you all the good luck, health and prosperity.
Hi sir, happy birthday sir, many happy returns of the day. Thank you so much sir for always being there and guiding in every situation and supporting just like my guardian angel. Thank you so much sir and once again happy birthday.
Hi Raju sir, wishing you a many happy returns of the day sir.
Hello sir, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much sir for always guiding and motivating us.
Hi Raju sir, Urvashi here, wishing you a very happy birthday sir.
ओके राजू सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको सबसे पहले मैं विश कर दूं अ वेरी गुड हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड अ वेरी चीयरिंगफुल हैप्पी बर्थडे। मेरी जब जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी सर, तब सबसे पहले आप ही ने मुझसे बात करी थी और देन द वे यू टॉक, द वे यू आर काम एंड द वे यू आर कूल, दैट्स द मोस्ट इंस्पायरिंग एंड द मोस्ट वंडरफुल डे व्हेन आई हियर यू एंड आई गेट मोटिवेटेड फ्रॉम यू एंड एवरी DD team and each and every member from the DD team is inspired by you sir. Thanks a lot for being in our life sir.
Happy birthday to the King of Law. Yes Raju sir, you have been the best teacher for us from the very first day of foundation. Yes, I am wishing you the many happiest days in your life. Have the best years ahead. Happy birthday Raju sir.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday sir. May God bless you. Thank you for always being a good teacher, friend and a parent. I am lucky to have a teacher like you. Once again happy birthday sir. Stay safe, stay blessed. Wish you a very happy birthday sir.
Hi Raju sir, happy birthday. Your lectures including revision sessions, doubt clearing sessions are giving us the way to enhance our knowledge and understanding. Your funny, friendly and interactive sessions and lectures are amazing. Thank you sir for all these wonderful things. I pray to God for your better health, a happy and long life. Once again, happy birthday sir.
So many returns of the day sir. Sir, आज तो आपका जन्मदिन है, पर आपके जन्मदिन पर मैं एक गाना जरूर गाना चाहूँगा सर। दो लीटी गाऊंगा सर, पर पूरे दिल से गाऊंगा सर, आपको जरूर अच्छा लगेगा, सुनिएगा जरूर सर। यही दुआएं हैं आपके जन्मदिन पर, यूं मुस्कुराते रहो, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। सर आप खुश रहिए, यही दुआ है। मैं इस लीटी से यही कहना चाहता हूँ सर, आप खुश रहिए, हंसते रहिए और हंसाते रहिए सर। और सर आपका स्वभाव तो बहुत ही अच्छा है सर, जो हम सबको मोटिवेशन देता है, वो आप मोटिवेशन चालू रखिएगा। आपने कितने सारे बच्चों के भविष्य को बदला है और आगे भी बदलते रहेगा सर। सो once again happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sir. Thank you for all your kind and inspirational advices.
Raju sir, wishing you a really very happy birthday. May the Almighty always keep you blessed. Thank you so much for being such an amazing mentor. Thank you for being so energetic. The level of energy you show is some different level, sir. And thank you for teaching so amazingly. We really don't need to put in much efforts in your subject after the lectures. Thank you for finding DT Institute and making this game, Kaun Banega CS.
Wish you very happy birthday, Raju sir. You are like the sweetest Rasgulla kind of person, sir.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you. Thank you for always being a good teacher, friend and a parent. I am lucky to have a teacher like you. Once again, happy birthday, sir. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Many happy returns of the day, Raju sir. Thank you for being a part of my life. You are my inspiration. So I would like to thank you for giving us guidance and encouragement in studies. Wishing you a healthy, happy and prosperity in life. So thank you for being a part of our life to give us so much inspiration in studies, and your way of studying is wonderful. We enjoy a lot. So once again, wishing you a happy birthday. Have a great day, sir.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. It's been awesome journey with you, expecting more further, and happy birthday to the most enthusiastic and motivational.
Dear sir, you are a true inspiration for me, a guide, a guru and a friend, all rolled in one. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, your visions, your ideas with us every day. You inspire us every day. Thank you for motivating us. Thank you for being there for us. And I just want to say, wishing you a many happy returns of the day, sir, and many more years to go.
Happy birthday, Raju sir. You are the inspiration of many students. Have a great life and career. Stay safe, happy and healthy. Once again, happy wala birthday, sir.